Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. My name is Tampi Coronado from BSAM2B. And for today, I'm going to summarize some of our topics that I've learned in ABM 42, which is Management Sciences. So, first would be quantitative analysis. So, quantitative analysis is a systematic approach that employs mathematical and statistical models to evaluate data and make informed decisions. It is widely used across various fields, especially in marketing and businesses. So, quantitative analysis also includes the risk assessment and management. It helps quantify risk in various contexts, such as financial markets. It enables informed decision making to mitigate potential impacts. So, next is forecasting. It is the process of predicting future events or conditions by analyzing patterns and trends in past and present data. It is widely used in various fields, including business and marketing. It is to estimate the future performance, demand, or outcomes. So it also includes the uncertainty and risk. Forecasting inherently involves uncertainty, and it is considered best practice to indicate the degree of uncertainty associated with predictions. So lastly would be the decision analysis. It is a systematic qualitative approach to making decisions by evaluating relevant information and potential outcomes. It is widely used in both personal and professional contexts to address complex problems and ensure that decisions are well informed and optimized for favorable result. And decision analysis also includes problem identification. It is the process begins by clearly defining the problem or decisions to be made along with the available options. It also includes research and data collection. Information related to decision is gathered including qualitative data, risk, costs, and benefits associated with each option. So, for example, quantitative analysis can be used in our EDP or the Enterprise Development Plan. So, it is a critical tool in business. It could provide data and insight to enhance our decision making. So, it could help optimize operation and mitigate risk. So, for example, in our finance and investment, so quantitative techniques can be used to assess risk and make informed investment decisions. So, for instance, financial modeling or risk analysis, it could help firm quantify uncertainties and strategize investment, ensuring better returns while managing potential downside. So, next would be the forecasting. So, forecasting could play a critical role in business, especially in our ADP. So, by enabling the organizations to predict the future trends. For example, our product is the Malunggay Munch, which is a malunggay created as chicharon. So we could manage resources effectively and make informed decisions. So it is important for our sales and revenue forecasting. So forecasting is to predict our future sales and revenue. It would allow us to plan an inventory, manage cash flow, and allocate resources efficiently. So, for example, in our EDP, it might use time series analysis to estimate profits for the next quarter, adjusting production based on economics and indication like raw material rates.